Hello everyone, I'm Guy, and today we are going to talk about Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, also known as DHCP. This is a protocol that provides an automatic and centralized management for delivering IP addresses to clients on your network. This is also used to configure subnet mask, DNS server information, and default gateway information and passes that on to the client. We're going to go ahead and dive into your network with a router, and we are going to take away the internet and make this video only about the home network. So your router runs a DHCP server on your router, which has a table of IP addresses. In an enterprise environment, this would maybe be handled by an alone machine depending on the size of the network, but anything under 1,000 or so devices is normally going to be handled on a server that is running on your router. So let's go ahead and pull up some computers, and let's give these computers some numbers. So we will have 1, have 2, and we will have 3. So these computers, computer 1 turns on and plugs into the router, and computer 1 requests an IP address. Well, this DHCP server receives that request and says, okay, computer 1, you will have this address. So anytime any information wants to get passed to computer 1, it has an IP address of 192.168.1.2. Then computer 2 is also hardwired into the router. It turns on. It says, hey, DHCP server, I would like an IP address. So DHCP server responds and says, okay, here goes an IP address of 192.168.1.4. Computer 3 is connected via Wi-Fi and is connected to the router like that. The computer connects and says, DHCP server, I need an IP address, no problem. You are going to be .1.7. And this is the basis for how all IP addresses are assigned on your home network. You might be wondering, well, how do I get a computer to have the same IP address? Well, we'll be covering that in a different video for static IPs and also DHCP IP reservations. But in a nutshell, this is how DHCP works. We will be going over subnetting, default gateway, and DNS server in a different video.